Upgrade your factory infotainment system with the latest CarPlay AI Box powered by Android 13, designed to transform your original wired CarPlay system into a complete smart entertainment platform with wireless connectivity and advanced multimedia capabilities. In this video, we take a closer look at this powerful Android AI box that brings wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a full Android 13 operating system directly to your vehicle without replacing the original screen or dashboard system. Designed exclusively for vehicles already equipped with factory Apple CarPlay functionality, this plug-and-play device connects directly through the USB port and instantly upgrades your driving experience with faster performance, smarter connectivity, and expanded entertainment options. Powered by the efficient quad-core Allwinner A133 64-bit Cortex-A53 processor running at 1.5 GHz and combined with the PowerVR GE8300 GPU, the system delivers smooth navigation, responsive performance, and reliable multimedia playback for everyday use. Key features: Android 13 operating system, compatible with vehicles equipped with factory Apple CarPlay. Simple plug-and-play installation. USB connection without modifications to the vehicle. Wireless Apple CarPlay support. Wireless Android Auto support. Quad-core Allwinner A133 64-bit Cortex-A53 processor. 1.5 GHz CPU frequency. PowerVR GE8300 graphics processor. Dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. Support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Built-in Wi-Fi antenna. External TF card storage support up to 128 GB. Faster and more stable wireless connections. Access to navigation, music, calls, and messaging applications. Enhanced multimedia experience. Smooth and responsive user interface. The integrated dual-band Wi-Fi technology supports simultaneous 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz transmission, ensuring stable connectivity and reduced latency when using wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, streaming services, and online applications. With support for external TF cards up to 128 GB, users can expand storage capacity for offline music, videos, applications, and navigation data, making this AI box an ideal companion for long journeys and daily commuting. Unlike traditional head unit replacements, this solution preserves the original appearance and functionality of your vehicle while adding the latest smart features expected from modern infotainment systems. Whether you want wireless smartphone integration, easier access to navigation applications, music streaming, voice assistance, or a more convenient driving experience, this Android 13 CarPlay AI box offers a powerful and cost-effective upgrade for compatible vehicles. If you enjoy automotive technology, smart car accessories, and infotainment upgrades, make sure to subscribe for more product reviews, installation guides, and demonstrations of the latest innovations in connected driving technology.